This is the master bedroom. It's got a nice queen bed. Nice dresser, but if you see, everything is covered in mold. I can barely even breathe down here. Like, it is obvious even on this camera, like how bad everything really is. There's also, it doesn't have a lot of headroom. If you look, like, I can't stand up straight, right? So let's continue on. The master does have its own head and a shower, which is a Jack and Jill. And here's the other part of that Jack and Jill in here. And here's a guest bedroom with twinsies. Again, mold on all the walls. My eyes are burning. All this carpet would have to come out. And here's the engine rooms. It's pretty dark in here. There's Nate trying to stand up in a 6-foot tall place. Let me come on by Nate. So you got one engine here. The other engine's over here. You come up to a galley, which is technically galley down, but it is a pretty big galley. Let's see if I can get a little bit more. So decent countertops, look like some kind of quartz. Same with here. Front V-bed is not really finished off. It's washer and dryer and oil and filters, and this is what he uses for his storage, even though it was V-beds. And the settees over here. And then up the stairs to the main salon. It's the helm. Main salon, which we have a sofa, a love seat, a chair. Again, everything is covered in mold. Every single thing in here. Beautiful back deck. Of course, because it's a yachtfish, we have that piece down there. So you have a lot of outside space. Nice big walk-arounds. Wing doors like lollipop. Soft spot there. Windlass looks new. And then come back around. And back to the beginning. All right, I'm going to stop it and send it to you.